Hey, good morning and welcome to Unboxing Canada with something new to unbox. So here we have a Samsung. It's a Code Monitor 27. It's from Best Buy, and this is how the box looks from outside. It's all the same thing here. So with the model number there, we have everything is here. So let's open it together and see how it feels when you open. So we have to flip it this side. Okay. So as you can see in the box, it's 27 inch. And I'll try to open it now. I think we need a scissor. Alright, and here it is. Let's open it. Ooh, looks cool. Come on, I didn't even open it yet. So, it's a 27-inch TV, Samsung. Careful, man. It's a curved one. Wow. That's cool. Must be amazing. Okay, this is how it looks. Back. So let's open it carefully and use the two hands. Pick it up. So this is how it looks. Let's open it. MashaAllah. It looks really cool. Yes, it looks cool. Alright, so I'll take it out of the box. Do you see how excited I am with this screen? Okay, let's set it up. So together, me and you, let's read the manual and see how to set it up. Setup guide, alright. Samsung. Is that French? No, pictures. So, it's English and French. Great. So, this is the map. Ooh, cool. So, this is the Samsung. It's English and French. So, we have behind it HDMI and audio, right? Attaching the stand. So, we have the stand there, right? So I guess we need to flip the TV, flip the screen, try to put something protective here so it doesn't scratch the screen there, and attach the stand. So we'll take one of these wide ones so to protect the screen. So here, just put the TV here so we can attach the stand without harming the screen. Careful, make sure it is perfectly good and protected. And now we go ahead and open the stand. Okay. There's something attached to the paper here. What's that for? That's the instructions how to attach the stands. Remove, put in box, right? Okay. Great. And that, thank you. This is the stand. And I don't know how it's doing this. Let's see. Right. Okay. So we have to take this first. All right. So as you can see, we're going to assemble the screen, get it ready. Have everything. Let's go into this. All right. So you have to attach that in. Let's do it. This is how it should be. No? No? Is this the way? No? This is how it should be? Yes, this is how it should be. So I pushed it in a little bit hard to attach it properly. As you can see here, BPIN, HDMI, audio. So we're done with this step. And go to the next step. Second. This is okay, we're done with this. Third. And, okay. We need a screwdriver to screw this in. Be. Just need a screwdriver to screw this in. Alright. So it's done. It's attached properly. So done with the step. So we'll go ahead with the next one. So what is the next step? So this is done. So I think we just need to attach the wires and that's it. And we're done with this step, right? Great, so this step is done. So it's now we're done here. We just need to attach the power wire first. Go ahead and attach it. Remove these. So attach this wire to this here, and remove this here. So this is the power. What's this here? I don't know what's this mess anyway. So shows DC 14V, and this one here goes to the power. And now we go for the HDMI. Nice. So we remove this red cover, and there it goes, HDMI. And this will be the other side of the HDMI. Remove this cover too. And you know, we can attach it to the laptop or whatever you want to connect the screen to.